When it comes to community service, high school students across Poway Unified are changing the world, one meal at a time. A community event to pack 50,000 meals started with a lot of excitement.
Let's get cranking!
From cheerleaders from Mount Carmel High School to Poway High peer counselors, students from across Poway Unified joined with friends and family community connection in the fight against hunger.
So our Fight Against Hunger events are basically an assembly line. They start down in our bulk area with 4 main ingredients. Vitamin packets, which are 21 essential vitamins and minerals, dehydrated vegetables, soy for protein, and then rice is the carbohydrate. It's a nutritional recipe that was developed by food scientists that is so nutritionally packed it actually reverses the effects of malnutrition.
The event was the culmination of months of fundraising and food collecting by each of the individual Fight Against Hunger clubs. Student organizers had the opportunity to demonstrate their leadership skills outside of the classroom.
It's helped me grow immensely. I was able to learn a bunch of responsibilities like time management, organizing. I think it's helped me become a leader in that I know what I want to do in the future, and it's helped me be an advocate for what I want to do.
It really helps the community and it helps give food to everybody, but I think one of the greatest parts of this event is that it unites us. We're all working there together, we're all listening to music, packing bags of food, and we're all talking and interacting with people we might not have met before.
While a portion of the 50,000 meals stay locally for emergency preparedness, the bulk of the packages are sent to Haiti. Friends and Family Community Connection has been providing relief to Haitians since a devastating earthquake hit in 2010. During PUSD's spring break, high school students actually travel there to see the impact of the meals they've helped prepare.
It was a wonderful experience. I was able to meet a bunch of Haitians there, and they honestly changed my life. I was able to learn my social responsibility in the world.
Some of the children are so happy to see us and how they might only get food twice a week, 2-3 times a week. And so it's really scary to see those conditions compared to our lifestyle.
Students' appreciation for helping others translates to a powerful foundation for a lifetime of service to their community.
That's the power of students following their passions and realizing that you don't got to be an old person to make a difference. That even at 16, 17, 18, 19 years old, you guys have the ability to change the world and make it happen.
For Poway Unified's Excellence in Education series, I'm Zach Camarino, Studio 701.